Is this really clean? Bacteria are living organisms. There are both beneficial bacteria, such as in the intestines or on mucous membranes, and pathogenic bacteria. Effective medicines help against bacteria, the antibiotics. Viruses are parasites and pathogenic, i.e. disease-causing. Often there are only a few medicines to directly combat symptoms. Vaccines protect against infections. Bacteria and viruses are transmitted from person to person via body fluids or contaminated surfaces. What do we need to do for safe hygiene? Here in the microbiological laboratory, we're investigating under realistic conditions on plates and textiles how much the number of microorganisms in our appliances can be reduced. In order to check whether the plate is hygienic, we use so-called Rodac plates. Microorganisms stick to these plates if they are present. After incubation for 24 hours at 36 degrees C, possible bacterial colonies become visible. We test the hygienic effectiveness of the cleaning with standardized test specimens. For this purpose, we use stainless steel test specimens that are contaminated with a defined number of microorganisms. After cleaning, we check whether almost 100% of the microorganisms have been removed. For this, the 4 parameters temperature, holding time, cleaning chemistry and mechanics must be optimally adjusted.
In program development, we combine the findings from the laboratories with the needs of our customers. Hygienic laundry processing in the healthcare sector has long been one of our core competencies in the field of commercial laundry care. The corona pandemic, at the latest, has clearly shown us that the topic of hygiene is also very important in many other applications. From the interaction of our ProCare product line with our appliances, we develop responsible solutions. Only the necessary resources should be used for hygienically clean laundry and dishes. We want to provide the best possible support to our customers, such as hotels, hairdressers or daycare centres. Therefore, we test our solutions as a system under the aspect of virus and bacteria inactivation.
It is clean, hygienically clean.